house was built in the 1950s. We moved into this house in 1980. We decided to remodel because of the expansion in the community. So we wanted to provide a nice rental for the new Inglewood. My experience with Mine Home Builders was very good from the beginning. My contractor was Ofer, and he did a great job. It was a great experience overall. Our project manager was always in communication with me on a regular basis, and from the beginning to the end, the relationship was always good, and there was an open communication between both of us. I'm very happy with my final results. Just by looking at all the work and the finishes, they showed concern that they wanted to make sure that we were happy with all the work at the end. Overall, I'm very happy with the final results with working with Mine Home Builders. I would recommend Mine Home Builders to my friends and family. So thank you very much, Mine Home Builders.